In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to exchange your points to coins, how to also transfer your points as a gift to another person, as well as how to do coins exchange so that you can either withdraw your point as earning or better still level up to do a higher task. So please, you need to watch this video till the end because misunderstanding your points and coins can affect your earning or even your withdrawal. Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is IJAPARI Gang, and on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So before we go into the practical aspect, there are some things I want to let you know. First, I want to give clarification on PoppoLive. Points and coins are not the same, right? Coins are what you buy with your money inside the app or through your agent, and points are what you earn on PoppoLive. And coins are for spending, so points are for withdrawal. Coins are used to send gifts, coins are used to play games, coins are used to do exchange, while points are your real earning, what determines your live streaming level or what you can withdraw as cash. And you cannot directly exchange your coins to points by clicking a button, but you can directly exchange your point to coins. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. The first I will want to show you here is how to do point transfer. So let's say I have I think I have up to $500 right here. So with this money that I have, this points, one thing you should also note is that 10,000 points is equivalent to $1. So this is 5,797,218 points. So if I click on withdraw like this, you see that it's $579. So if I want to do point transfer, let's say I want to gift or transfer to another person this sum of this point so that the person can withdraw as cash, I can just click on right here, withdraw. Right, if I click on withdraw, the next thing I will now click on transfer instead of withdraw now. Right, I will click on transfer, and then I will be able to put the person's ID. Right, also you should know that right here, if I just put let me just, I don't know anybody's ID, 3557, that's my ID, 180, but I know I cannot send to myself. So if you put here, so just know that anything you put here is times 100, right? So, and if you want to understand it better so that you don't make you will not make any mistake, you should click and read the rule. Like, the minimum you can transfer is 500k points, right? That means $50. That's the least you can transfer, and only to agents account, non-refundable. So if you are transferring, just know that if you are a normal host, you cannot transfer. You can only transfer to agent, you cannot transfer to host. But if you are a normal host, you can transfer to agent, right? But you cannot transfer to host, and it's non-refundable. So don't make that mistake. So you put the ID, so you can put my ID by telling me thank you for creating this video, 3557180, and transfer to me. Just use it for practical. Not a financial advice though. Okay, so once you put it right here, you can put the amount. Let's say if I put 500,000 points, right, it will let me transfer. So but that, and then you put your password, your Poppo password. So that is how to do point transfer on PoppoLive. So how then do you exchange your points to coins? Let's assume now I want to do a higher level tax so that I'll earn more. I don't want to go and buy coins. I want to exchange my points so that I can get coins, so that if I do more exchange, it will allow me or give me higher tax. How you do that is you click on your point, right? And then you just scroll down. This time around, you're not going to click on withdraw now. You're going to click on exchange points to coins. So when you click on exchange point to coins, the next thing you are going to do right here, this is showing you that 100,000 points, that's $1, will give you 92,000 coins. So you can customize it. You can click on customize right here so that you can put. So let's say right here now, I can put, let me remove the 0. So right here, I can put 2. If I put 20, now it's telling me 1 million. So anything you are putting here is times 20. So if I put 2, it will that means it's giving me, that means I'm exchanging 100,000 point times 2. That means I'm taking $2. So you should just always note that this is showing you dollar. So you click on, if you click 2, that means it's going to give you this amount of coins. So you click on done right here. So the next thing you do, you have to input this code that you are seeing right here. So I will just type the code. My own is showing 1766, right? I will click on exchange and I'll click on, that means it's going to take 200,000 points to give me some coins. So then I'll put my Poppo password. It succeeded. So if you go back now, you see that my coins, myself now, because I'm an agent, I would have to come to my agent or coins dashboard, coins trading dashboard. I'm going to see where it will show it's right here, because as an agent, if you do exchange or anything concerning coins, it's going to come to your agent dashboard, because they don't know either you want to use it for yourself or you want to sell it to someone or send it to someone. So then the next thing I will do as an agent now, I'll just put my ID and then 3557180, right? My name will come out, and then I can put the amount of, let me say I want to put 100,000, right? I can put the amount, then I'll say transfer, I'll confirm it, and then you notice that it has reduced. So if I go out and come back here, you see that my coins have shown, right? So if you're watching me right now and you're an agent, you don't know how to sell, you want to start selling coins, or you are on Poppo, you are even a host, you want to start selling coins, let me know in the comment section, so that I would recreate another latest video that can show you how to become a coin seller. But please, as you are watching me, I'm not selling coins. Anybody DMing you pretending to be me is not me. Please be aware of that. And then the next thing I want to show you is how to do coins exchange. So let's assume I have these coins right here now, and I now want to exchange it to points so that I will do a higher tax. Or let's assume I just bought those coins and I need money immediately. I really need money that I can withdraw, that can add up to my points. So what do I do? So if I want to do the exchange, all I'll do, I will join a party, right? Let me check any party of people that I'm following. So let me join this party. So I can join a party and I will let them know in the comment section that I am interested in exchange. Let's assume I agreed with someone that also needed an exchange. All I will do, let's assume this lady needed an exchange now. I'll just click on her profile, right? I'll click on give gifts, right? Then the next thing I'm going to do, what we agree upon. So if we agree on, let me just say 500 ice cream. The reason is because this is what I can give her for free. So I will just click on it and then click on send. I will just tap once, and then you see that she will receive it or he will receive it. So that is how to do coins exchange. And then me too, she's going to do the same so that I will receive it. Okay, so by doing that, my tax, I will be able to level up, or the money, the coins will be exchanged to points, and it will be added to my point that I can withdraw. And not only that, I can also, by doing so, I can level up, right? So if you have questions about leveling up, I have videos that is very well detailed about leveling up, so that you can understand to do a higher tax. But this video is just showing you how to convert your coins to points, how to transfer points to another agent or another person, as well as how to do coins exchange. And if you are new on PoppoLive, please focus on learning first, build your new activities, understand points and coins, and follow the system. Don't use multiple accounts, please, I beg of you. Don't exchange with suspicious people. Don't try to manipulate points. Anybody trying to tell you that they can manipulate it, don't follow them. Don't rush other things. Try to understand the rules, because Poppo reward consistency and not shortcuts. So if this video helped you, please like it, share, subscribe. In the description of this video and in the comment section, I'm going to drop link. If you care, in case you want to become an agent on Poppo, I will drop a link. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.